pelvic muscle trainer. This is Biotronix KM516B model. You can see this is the for urinary incontinence and other conditions. You can see the device is like this. So this is the box. This is the prop. You can see this is the prop. Oh, sorry, this is the wire, and this is the prop. So this is the vaginal prop. If you need the same for the anal, we will provide you the anal prop. If you want, the device is supplied with the vaginal prop, but if you want anal, we will take the vaginal out and we will provide you the anal one. So, but if you want both the prop, you have to pay for the anal. So this is the manual. You can see manual of the device. This is battery operated. So I have already inserted the battery in the same. You can see. And to switch on the now I will give you the demo of the device by explaining all the feature and everything, and now I will show you the same. I won't open this probe because that probe has to be sold with the device. So I have the demo probe with me, and now I will insert that probe in the same. You can see this is the point here. I need to insert this end, and in the CA I need to insert the vaginal probe. You can see vaginal probe. I'm showing the demo with the vaginal probe, so you can see I have inserted the same. Now I will switch it on. I have to long press the same to switch it on. You can see I have long press and it is switched on. Now you can see the display. There are 8 modes in the same. Battery indication is there. The battery is completely full, and there are 8 modes in the same: P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8. All P1 is time here is 20 minutes, P2 is 20, 20, 30, 20, P6 is 15, 30. So all the program is parameters are presetted, and time is also presetted. And now I will tell you what are the programs, and what are those programs related to which condition. So now you can see this is the mode 1. Mode 1 is for the prolapse treatment. Mode 2 is for the urinary incontinence. Mode 2. Mode 3 is for stress urinary incontinence. Mode 4 is urgent urinary incontinence, and mode 5 is mixed urinary incontinence, and mode 6 is for the endurance training, for the pelvic muscle endurance training. Mode 7 is for the muscle sensitivity training, and mode 8 is for the comprehensive pelvic floor exercise. This is the combination of program. So this is for the comprehensive pelvic floor exercises. So all the programs related to pelvic muscle training, pelvic muscle area are there in the device. It's a compact device, and now I will show you by operating the same. Like this is the probe I have connected. So like I select the P1 mode. This is the P1 mode, and this is currently the intensity is 0, and the presetted time is 20, and already programs parameters are fed in the same. You can see P1, all the parameters are there. You can see ramp and everything is mentioned in the same. These are the presetted one, but also mentioned here for the reference. So you can see this is already presetted, and you can see this is already mentioned in the manual. So now I have selected the presetted program, and P1 is the program I selected. Now when the probe is in the contact with the body, when the same is inserted in the vagina, you can see it will be in the contact. So now I am showing you the demo. So now I am increasing the intensity. 1, 2. I can go up to 1 to 60 levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am able to feel the sensation. Now I am able to feel the microcurrent. So you can see 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So work, it's showing work here. It is a little bit. So I have inserted the probe, like I am feeling the intensity of the same. You can see this is the rest and work. What rest and work mean? Work mean when I am getting the intensity, when I am getting the microtrend, and rest when I am not getting when the muscle is getting relaxed. So this is a contraction in the work, and when the same is the relaxation, it will rest. It will be showing rest. So this is the program 1, and I have gone up to 16 intensity, a little bit less. So there is one more feature in the device. What exactly this is? When I take the probe out, or when the probe is not in contact with the body, so what you have find the change over here, electrode fall. So it is indicated that body the electrode is not in the contact with the body. So you have to make the same in the contact with the body, then use the same. And by default it will go to the 10 intensity. It was previously 16-17, but as I release the same, it will show me the electrode fall, and it will go to the intensity 10. So now I will decrease the intensity to 0 and reinsert the probe. So reinsert the probe like this, and now I increase the intensity. So electrode fall will disappear. So this is to prevent the electric shock and all, and it will be indicating whether the probe is in contact or not. If the probe is not in contact, then no use of there is no use to your device. So the device will indicate that the probe is not in contact. You need to reinsert the same. So this is the additional feature in that compact device, you can see, and all the programs are there. I have already told you everything related to urinary incontinence, prolapse, endurance training, and pelvic floor exercises. So these are presetted programs, and now I will tell you what are the conditions in which this device can be used or useful. So now I will tell you what are the various conditions or illness or various problems in which this device can be useful and can be used. So the it can be used for the to prevent and reduce the pelvic floor problems. So it can also be used for the increasing sexual satisfaction, because pelvic floor muscles is linked with the everything. So it is going to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. So the sexual satisfaction will be increased. So it is also used to treat vaginal, uterine, and bowel prolapse. That can be used for all the prolapse condition, because basically they are focusing on the product is focusing on strengthening of your pelvic floor muscles, and pelvic floor muscle strengthening is very important in all these conditions. These conditions originate because the pelvic floor muscles are weak, and because of that these are the various conditions the patient are experiencing. But if we focus on increasing the strength of the pelvic floor muscles, this condition can be treated, or can symptomatically you can get the relief also. The same can also be used for strengthening of muscles which has become weakened after childbirth, like in the hernia and all. So in the hernia operation after childbirth, the muscles which has been loosened or got weak, that can be used, that can be strengthened via using this device. This is the compact device. You can use the same in the clinic. You can use the same in the for the personal use. You can also use the same in the ICU, because this is very compact device and can be used. So the same can be used for improving pelvic muscle strength and blood supply. Obviously, if you are increasing the pelvic muscle by contracting and relaxing the pelvic muscle, blood circulation will improve, and hence all the condition will be solved. So also it helps in increasing intimate sensation, because that is now again it's working on the pelvic muscles. So pelvic muscles and everything is vagina, everything, and all the other organs are linked with the pelvic muscle. Because if the pelvic muscles are stronger, then everything will be okay, and that will improve the intimate sensation, because of all of the vagina is strengthened, and so the sensation will be enhanced. So now, as the basic concept is that pelvic organs like bladder, uterus, ovaries, fallopian tubes, vagina, prostate, semivessels, all these organs are supported by the pelvic floor muscles. So when the pelvic floor muscles are weaker, then you will get the condition of all these, you may get the conditions and illness of all these organs. So what basically we focus on the strengthening of pelvic floor muscle, so all the organs will be supported perfectly and your problem will be sorted out. So we hope the information and the video was very informational to you. You can contact, we are the Biotronix here international, we are importing the same, and you can contact our sales team to purchase the same, or you can visit our website, you can email us, you can WhatsApp us. We have shared you all the details in the description section, or you can comment in the also. We will our sales team will reach to you to solve your query. Or thank you for watching that video, and keep on subscribing the channel and sharing the same, because we are going to provide more informational videos like this. Thank you for watching.